Hello everyone. I am Deepa Kumari working as an assistant professor at IIMT College of Management, and the topic we are going to learn today is ERP. ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. So what is ERP? If you are a working professional, then you are definitely using the ERP in your professional day-to-day activities. But if you are a student watching this video, then you must have heard of ERP in some way or other. ERP has become a very important part of our lives. We are dealing with day to day professional activities through ERP. So, today we will understand what is ERP and how it is important. So, the topic we are going to cover in this video are what is ERP, evolution of ERP, how ERP has been evolved throughout the years, and need and importance of ERP, modules of ERP, features and characteristics of ERP, and at the last, advantages and disadvantages of ERP. So, let's start. The first slide we have here is what is ERP. ERP is made up of three words which are enterprise resource planning. We will learn about each word one by one. First one is enterprise. What is enterprise? As we can see here that enterprise refers to an entire organization encompassing various departments, functions, and operations. An ERP system is designed to serve the needs of the entire enterprise rather than specific units or divisions. As we all know, that organization is a kind of system which is made up of various subsystems, or we can say the departments. The departments include HR department, marketing and marketing department, and various other departments like finance. So each department is a subsystem to an organization. Each have its own function, but they are all interconnected, integrated, or interdependent to each other. And every department working towards a very specific or a common goal. So this is known as enterprise. And what are the resources? Resources are the tools are used by the organization to achieve those specific goals that are to be achieved by the organization. And what is planning? Planning is the process of setting goals, defining strategies, and outlining the actions required to achieve those goals. It's a crucial element in various aspects of life, whether in business, personal development, project management, or even day to day tasks. Planning answers our various questions like what we are going to do, how we are going to do, and when to do. So, these so this is what is ERP. Now we will understand ERP through the definition or the whole concept. ERP. First, we will understand what was it like before ERP was introduced, the various kinds of problems we faced before the ERP was introduced. In organization, when the ERP wasn't introduced, the as we have discussed earlier, that organization is a system which is made up of various small subsystems. The subsystems are the departments that are existing in the organization. These subsystems were having their own database. Every department has their own database. So before the ERP was introduced, every department there was a miscommunication in the various departments, which causes the problem of data redundancy, data inconsistency, and a usual miscommunication between the departments. To solve that problem, ERP was introduced. How the ERP solved that problem? The ERP came with the software as central database, an application. What is central database? Before that, when the various departments have their own database, now they are all connected to one database, which is the central database. Now they can all share their data or access to the data of other departments in real time, which solve the problem of data redundancy, data inconsistency, and the data miscommunication or the miscommunication between the departments. So, as it is written in the slide, that ERP or enterprise resource planning is software designed to manage and integrate the functions of core business processes like finance, HR, supply chain, and inventory management in a single system. And how ERP is distinguished from standalone applications? By its central database. ERP provides the facility of central database to the organization, which also improves the business transactions carried out in the modules. What are the modules? Modules are the various departments in the organization, and that allows the modules to communicate with each other with the common database in real time. As it is also written that the centralized database provides what's known in IT as a single source of truth. Why it is known as single source of truth? Because it ensures that every module has accurate and up-to-date information. Because ERP worked in real time, the database is continuously updated and managed. Now, the evolution of ERP. The enterprise resource planning systems has been a journey marked by significant technological advancements and shifts in business needs. Here is an overview of its evolution. In 1960s and 1970s, the ARP was originated as it is named before as Material Requirements Planning, which is MRP. MRP is a precursor to ERP. These are the systems emerged to manage manufacturing processes, focusing on inventory control and production scheduling. In 1980s and 1990s, the ERP emergence was introduced, which is MRP second, Manufacturing Resource Planning second. It is an expanded form of MRP, which allowed companies to streamline processes and have a unified database for multiple departments. Then, in the 2000s, the growth and expansion. In this, the ERP systems became more customizable and scalable to fit diverse business needs. Then in 2010 onwards, the cloud-based ERP was introduced, which offered greater flexibility, reduced infrastructure cost, and accessibility from anywhere. Cloud-based ERP also allows the users to become more mobile friendly and allows the users to access their access the ERP from their smartphones and tablets. Then, in the recent trends, the ERP focused on AI, artificial intelligence. It emphasizes data analytics, providing insights for better decision making. Then, industry specific ERP solutions. ERP systems begin offering industry specific solutions tailored to the unique needs of sectors like healthcare, manufacturing, retail, etc. Now, moving towards the next slide, we have the core roles needed for successful ERP implementation. We have the first one is executive sponsor, implementation partner, project manager, change management team, functional team members, super users. The executive sponsors are, can either be an individual executive for a small to mid-sized company or a group of senior individuals who plays a significant role in determining the right ERP software based on business needs, budget, and the readiness to implement. And the implementation partner is an external consulting company who are responsible for advising on ERP software selection, making customizations, and providing the technical support and training during implementation and post go live. The project managers are responsible for driving the ERP implementation within the organization, and the change management team are responsible for overseeing the ERP system changes, managing expectations, and assisting with the knowledge transfer between the implementation partner and the rest of the company. The functional team members can be selected from the core functions of the company, such as finance, manufacturing, sales, logistics. They are also responsible for explaining the processes and future requirements to the implementation team and to future end users. Super users are responsible for learning the software and new ERP software and are considered the cross-functional internal expert once the implementation is completed. Now, the need and importance of ERP. Is central data management, integration of operations, automated processes, resource optimization, access to real-time information, scalability and flexibility, collaboration and communication, remote access, competitive advantage, cost efficiency. First, we'll talk about integration of business processes or centralized data management. ERP introduce the concept of centralized database, which allows the users of various departments, various subsystems to access the information between various departments. And then integration of operations. Business often operate using disparate systems for various functions like finance, HR, supply chain, leading to data silos and inefficiency. ERP integrates these disparate systems into a single unified platform, streamlining operations and facilitating seamless communication between departments. Now, need and importance of ERP. ERP provides centralized database management which allows various departments to access information at any time. ERP also integrates the operations through departments and also reduces manual efforts through automated processes. ERP provides access to real-time information and offer scalability and customization, accommodating changing business needs and growth. It promotes collaboration and communication between modules. It allows users to access ERP through smartphones or tablets, allows users to access ERP in real time, and provides remote access. ERP optimizes resource utilization as it is cost effective and provide competitive advantage by improving operational effectiveness. These are the modules of ERP, such as financial management, procurement, manufacturing, human resources, supply chain management, inventory management, project management, CRM, as in customer relationship management, risk management, and marketing automations. These are the various departments which are in organizations. Now, the limitations of ERP. The limitations of ERP include cost and implementation time. As we all know, ERP systems can be expensive to implement, requiring significant upfront costs for software, hardware, customization, training, and consultancy fees. The complexity and customization ERP systems can be integrated, especially for large organizations, making the implementation and adoption processes challenging. Resistance to change and training needs. Resistance from users, like employees might resist changes in processes due to the unfamiliarity of new systems, leading to a slower adoption rate. Compatibility and integration issues. Integrating ERP with existing legacy systems can be challenging, leading to compatibility issues. The data security and privacy concerns. Centralizing data in ERP systems, raising security concerns as a breach could compromise sensitive company information. Upgrades and maintenance. The ongoing maintenance, updates, and support for ERP systems can add up to terms of cost, rigidity, and standardization. ERP systems may enforce standard processes, limiting flexibility for businesses with unique workflows, dependency, and risk of failure. Organizations may become overly dependent on the ERP vendors for ongoing supports and updates. So these are the limitations of ERP. Moving onwards, the examples of big companies successful using ERPs. There are three main players of ERPs in the market, which are SAP, Oracle, and Microsoft Dynamics 365. Amazon uses ERP software called SAP, System Analysis and Program Development, as in Starbucks using Oracle ERP and Toyota using Microsoft Dynamics 365. So we have understood what is ERP, and I have also added a web page of a IIMT cloud website, and this is the login page of IIMT ERP login, and this is how our IIMT ERP looks like. So thank you all. I believe with this video you have very well understood what is ERP. Thank you.